Hey there, how are you? I'm Cindy, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel where we talk all about how to live a simple life in the city. I live with my husband and my rescue dog in a quite small inner city apartment in Australia, and we are currently trying to become as sustainable as we possibly can and to live as simply as we can. So in light of everything that has been happening in the world today, we thought it would be a good idea to take you on our journey as we show that it is possible to live a simple life in the city. So, I am going to answer questions for you like, is it possible to live a simple life that isn't totally boring? And can I simplify without spending a lot of money? And can I live simply but still be stylish? And the answer to all of those questions is yes, absolutely. And I'm going to show you how. We're also going to talk about how to grow your own food in a small inner city apartment, because I really feel that it's incredibly important now more than ever to be sustainable, to understand where your food comes from, and to have control over the food that you are putting into your body. So there'll be lots of videos with tips and techniques about how to grow your own food in a small space. We're also going to share lots of information on how to be as sustainable as you possibly can in an inner city environment. Oh, and there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to get to know my absolutely gorgeous rescue dog, Bruno. So if this sounds good to you, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, toggle that notifications bell, and I look forward to speaking with you every Tuesday and Thursday with new videos. So until I speak with you again, have a good one.